I took PCB in class 11 because I want to become a doctor in the US, but now I'm completely confused. There is no NEET, no MBBS. So what exactly is the path? This is one of the most common problems students and parents face today. Everyone talks about studying medicine abroad, but very few actually know what is the roadmap, what is the actual way, how to get into that system and to understand the complete procedure. So if you think taking PCB in high school is enough to become a doctor in the US, you are already on the wrong path. Because in the US, there is no direct MBBS after class 12. Unlike India, the US medical journey is longer and more structured. You cannot directly enter medical school after high school. First, you must complete a 4-year bachelor's degree on a pre-med track, and only after that you can apply to medical school. So if a student who is in classes 9 to 12, early planning is not optional. It is essential if you want to achieve your dream. So what is the roadmap? The first step is building a strong academic foundation. From class 9 onwards, students should focus seriously on physics, chemistry, biology and English. US universities value consistency. So maintaining scores above 85 to 90% throughout high school is important. However, academics alone are not enough. The US admission system is holistic, meaning your overall profile matters just as much. Students should actively participate in volunteering, especially in hospitals or healthcare settings, along with science fairs, Olympiads, research projects, or leadership roles. These experiences demonstrate genuine interest in the medical field and significantly strengthen your application. Next comes standardized testing. International students must prove English proficiency through exams like IELTS or TOEFL. Additionally, exams like the SAT are optional at many universities but can enhance your profile and improve your chances of admission and scholarships. After that, students need to prepare their application materials. This includes a compelling statement of purpose where you clearly explain your motivation to pursue medicine, along with letters of recommendation from teachers, academic heads, and a well-structured resume highlighting achievements and activities. Applications are submitted through platforms like Common App, and the ideal timeline is to begin preparation in class 11 and apply during class 12, typically between November and January. Choosing the right universities is also a strategic step. While top institutions like Harvard University or Stanford University are highly competitive, students should create a balanced list that includes dream, target, and safe universities to maximize their chances of admission and financial aid. Once admitted, the university issues an I-20 form and students must apply for the F1 student visa. After successfully clearing the visa process, the student begins their 4-year undergrad degree in the US, completing pre-med requirements such as biology, chemistry, and physics. During this time, they must also prepare for the most critical exam in the journey, that is the MCAT. Only after clearing the MCAT can students apply to US medical schools where admissions are extremely competitive. Medical schools itself takes another 4 years followed by residency training. This means the entire journey is to becoming a doctor in the US typically takes 8 to 10 years and requires strong academic performance, consistent efforts, and financial planning. So this is the complete roadmap to US. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section and I will definitely try to reply. Thank you and all the best.